Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. Follow me on Instagram at onmyloves2, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at onmyloves2, although Instagram is the one that I'm on the most. So we're gonna do an empties video today. Excuse the background as I try to figure out this new setup. I just kind of threw in this old vision board that I actually found in the storage. I thought I'd kind of put that there and a few books. So this is like my little positivity area. Eventually I want to really like decorate the background and make it look really cute. But for now, we're just going to have to work with what we got going on. So, as I said, this is an empties video. You guys know how it goes. I'm going to quickly go through all the items that I have finished over the past several months. I'll give you a quick rundown of whether I like it, whether I repurchase it, and I will try to link everything down below. Okay, the first thing is this Ollie brand smoothie mix, slim protein smoothie. So I've mentioned before that I'm like a smoothie type person. I love having a shake in the morning or even sometimes during the day. If I'm a little bit hungry but not too hungry and don't want to like go eat something that I shouldn't be eating, I'll just have like a shake. It keeps me full for a good amount of time. They taste really good. I put in a bunch of like fruits and different powders and all that kind of stuff. If you guys want me to do like a smoothie video, if that's something you want to see, let me know and I'll try to do that for you guys. But I've tried a lot of different brands. This is the last brand that I finished. Like I said, it's Ollie. They have a ton of different products and I really like it. I feel like the last time I went to repurchase it, they didn't have it in Target because that's where I get mine. They may still have it online and they sell it at other stores as well, but I have repurchased it several times. I tend to gravitate towards the chocolate flavors in smoothies just because I think it mixes well with, you know, the different things that I put in it. But they always have like different flavors. This is actually, yeah, this is chocolate. This is salted caramel chocolate. So yeah, this was good. I would recommend it. I would repurchase it. Like I said, they have a bunch of different products. I don't think I've tried the vitamins before, but I haven't tried like any of their bars or cookies or anything like that. Next, this is just lotion. I've purchased this brand numerous times before. I like the consistency of it. It's like a good thick formula. It's not too thin. It's not sticky and it moisturizes well. This is a Show a Simplicity Hair Oil Shampoo. I've had this for a while. For 2018, I was really trying to pull back on my product junkie ways and really try to use up the products that I have because I have so many products that I just don't ever use. So this is one of them that I've had for a while, so I finished that. It is good. When it comes to shampoos, I have one shampoo that I use that I've mentioned before, but they're pretty much all the same to me, but this was pretty good. You guys know that I absolutely love the hair blend oil, which is what the brand is known for, and I swear by that. I recommend it all the time, and I've been using it for years. If you guys are curious about it, I do have several videos, a few videos actually, showcasing different products that I love from them. Next, this is the Maui Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick, curly hair. Basically, it was a deep conditioner. It was good. It had mixed reviews, but the good reviews that I saw were worth me trying it out. I do like it. I would repurchase it. I have one deep conditioner, the We Dad one, that I absolutely love, but it's a bit pricey, so I use it sparingly. Outside of that, I'll always try to get like a different deep conditioner because for the most part, I feel like they're all pretty much the same. But yeah, this was good. I would recommend it. Like I said, it was pretty basic. It was inexpensive, and my hair felt fine. Next, these are some vitamins. I always take vitamins. I tend to like the gummy vitamins, not the ones with the sugar because I feel like that's just like too much sugar in my teeth. But these ones were good. They taste good. It's for energy, metabolism, bone, and immune support. I don't feel that it gave me any energy whatsoever. But I know that I don't always eat as well as I should. So I do like to supplement what I'm lacking in my foods with vitamins and supplements that I know are good for me. So this is a good brand. I've tried different brands as well, but this is one that I have repurchased several times and I'm on a new bottle of this one right now. We are still on the struggle bus for finding a really good natural deodorant that actually works. Although I think that I've come to the conclusion that as far as the antiperspirant side of it goes, because that's the issue, is like if you do like get overheated or you're in some kind of activity or something like that, you're going to start sweating a little bit or just like feel that sweaty feeling. And the thing with natural deodorants is that they don't have that aluminum in it, which is what causes regular deodorants to be an antiperspirant and not let you feel the sweat. So I don't think I'm gonna find that in any deodorants. What I started doing is just unfortunately using like a regular deodorant if I knew that I was gonna be like out and about or it was gonna be hot or something, and then if I'm at home or I'm not really doing too much physical activity, I'll just use like a natural deodorant. This one was okay. I didn't have any problem with it. It was fine. I just, like I said, keep trying different ones to see if I can find one that I feel works better than the others that I've tried. These are pretty much the only two mascaras that I use, I think, all year. So this is the Benefit Roller Lash and this is the Urban Decay Perversion. The name is like all wiped off of it, but I've repurchased these several times. Together they're amazing, alone they're together. I like to combine the two just because I feel like this one brings out like the length in my lashes and it separates them because it has a really nice applicator, so it's kind of curved so you can kind of get underneath those lashes and it's like the shape of your lashes. And then I feel like this one adds to like the intensity and it's like a fuller brush and just kind of like makes it look fuller and darker. So I definitely would recommend these because like I said, these are the only two mascaras that I've been using all year. Brief interlude. If you guys are curious about my sweater, I will link it below. After this video, I'm going to do another fashion video, the last one I'll be filming of the year. Hopefully it'll come out before the new year, but this one will be included in it, but I'll still make sure to include it in the description box below, which is where I always link videos and clothes or anything like that that have to do with the video. Next, this is the Honest hand sanitizer spray. I always buy this. I prefer the sprays as opposed to like the gels. I just feel like it's not as sticky. Honestly, I don't even know if these things really work. I'm always kind of questioning if hand sanitizers really work. The best thing to do is just to wash your hand with soap, but a lot of times you're not able to do that, or if you got to shake hands with somebody or you touch a door. Like, I'm really OCD about germs, so I keep one of these in my purse at all times, and I always spray my hands if I feel like I've touched something that just might be infested with gross germs. So I definitely recommend this. This is the only brand of hand sanitizer that I use. You can get it at different places. You can get it at Target or Bed Bath & Beyond. Those are the two places that I know of, but for sure Target always has it. This is just a little sample size of the Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief. I used to use this a while ago. It is one of the moisturizers that I recommend. I just tend to sometimes switch around after using something for a long time just to see if something works better, or sometimes you use something for so long that it kind of stops working with your skin and so you kind of got to take a break from it, then go back. But this is really good. I got this, I feel, with the probably one of those 100-point perks from Sephora, because they always have like trial sizes of a lot of the products that I use. So it's like, instead of repurchasing that product, I can get like a bunch of these little trial sizes and then I'm good to go. These are 3 trial size versions of one of my favorite brands. These are all 3 different products, but this is by First Aid Beauty. It's one of my go-to brands because it's geared towards sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, if you have eczema, if you have dry skin, whatever your concerns are, they have an array of products that can help with those needs. So this is the Ultra Repair Cream, which I really love and I've been using for years. It's just like a super simple basic moisturizer. Next, this is the face cleanser. Once again, just a very simple, like, their products are very effective and I really love them, even the makeup, but they're really simple. So that's the face cleanser. And then this is the Ultra Repair Hydro Firm Sleeping Cream. So it says sleeping cream, but basically it's just a thicker moisturizer. So I would use it at night, or if I felt like I just needed a bit more hydration than usual for some reason because my skin felt dry, then I would use it in the morning when I'm going through my whole skincare routine. Next, we just have this Suave Ocean Breeze body wash. It just smells so like fresh and clean, and it really does give you that like by the beach or island vibe. Every time I run out of body wash, I like to try a different one. I try all different brands. I really just kind of go off of the scent or like what's on sale or what's in my budget at that moment. But this is one that I think I've purchased numerous times. Suave I think is pretty cheap too, but I like the scent that a lot of the Suave brands have, so I've tried different ones before. This is pretty much the only setting spray that I've used for the majority of 2018. This is the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I really love this one. They have a whole peach line, and this one is good for oily skin. The one thing I will say about this is you have to make sure that you shake it up really, really well because it has mattifying properties in it. So you shake it up really, really well and then you spray it on your face, because if you don't, you'll see like little white dots, which once I got down to the bottom, that started happening to me, which was like ridiculously annoying because you'll spray your face, you think you're good to go, and then you look in the mirror and you have like a bunch of tiny white dots on your face. But like I said, that only happens, one, if you don't shake it properly, or two, because I was at the very, very end of the bottle, it's not much product left in there, and there's probably a lot of the mattifying properties in there. So definitely try this out if you have not tried it out yet. I also really love the I think it's like the pore minimizing primer that is in this line as well. I like that too, so I love this one. I've had this for a while. This is really good though. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. So cleansing balms were like really a big thing at one point, and it's all gone now, but basically it's just like a balm. You scoop some out and then you rub it between your hands, and it just melts, and you rub it onto your face, and it just kind of melts your makeup off. It doesn't irritate your skin. It's really good for traveling because it's not like a liquid or a cream that's going to spill and get all over the place. It's just like a solid balm that, like I said, you scoop some out, rinse your makeup off, and you're good to go. This is like a forever favorite of mine. This is the Pink by Victoria's Secret, the Fresh and Clean. I have so many of these. This is like my go-to line for body spray before I discovered my Dolce & Gabbana perfume that I wear, which I think has been discontinued, but I still have my bottle left. This was the only scent that I would wear because I'm really sensitive to scents, and I love this scent, and the fact that it's called Fresh and Clean, like, it perfectly describes what it smells like. It's a very fresh and clean scent that just makes you feel like nice and fresh and clean. So if you haven't tried this out, definitely check it out. They have like the body wash and the moisturizers and all that stuff too. So if this is too light for you, like if you're used to perfumes, and if you kind of load up on the various products in the same scent, then you'll kind of get more of that fragrance to last longer. Oh, this is an old school one that I finished out. This is Crazy Love Beauty Rush Red Berries and Wild Petals. So I think when I moved into the place that I'm in now, I had like a ton of body mist, but I'd only ever use that one, and so I think I like gave most of them away, but this is one of them that I kept. I think I might have one other one, or I might not. I think this was it. I kept this one because I really love this scent, obviously, because I finished it. But yeah, these were like my go-to. Like, I would only wear body scents because I'm so sensitive to fragrances. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the one in orange. You guys, this is like, these have been out forever. They have all different colors. But basically, this is just a color corrector. You twist it up, you brush it on the areas that you need color correcting on. It's super easy. I haven't repurchased it only because I have other color correctors that I want to make sure that I use, because I am not trying to overload on products that I don't need. But I definitely would repurchase this again once I finish all of my other ones. And this is the color Peach Luster. Next, here's another First Aid Beauty product. This is the Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. So this is just basically a lip balm. I would use this in the day or at night whenever I'm at home, and just to moisturize my lips. Like I said, this is one of my favorite lines. This is the Sephora Brow Pencil, and so this one is waterproof, and this one is very reminiscent of the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It's like half the price. Love to use this one if I'm on vacation because, like I said, it's waterproof, or just if I don't feel like spending the money on the Anastasia one, which Anastasia Beverly Hills is actually my favorite brow product line, but this is a really, really good dupe for it. So if you don't want to spend the money on the Anastasia one and you need something that's waterproof, definitely check it out. The color I have is Soft Charcoal number 6. What do we have next? Okay, I have a bunch of these premium cotton ovals. So I think I've mentioned this to you guys before. So this is what I use when I use any kind of toner, or if I use like a micellar water on my face to take off my makeup. This is what I use. I used to get the ones at Bed Bath & Beyond, but these ones are so much better. And I love the fact that you think something as simple as like from circular to oval shape wouldn't make a big deal, but it really does, because when you think about how you hold the circular cotton rounds, it's more shaped towards your hand when you have an oval one. So I just really like it. I am always repurchasing these. I get like multiple packs at a time. They're super inexpensive. I want to say they're less than $2. Don't quote me on that, but they're not expensive at all. I have another moisturizer. This is Jergens Shea Butter. I have purchased this one before. I really love the scent of this one. This is this is another go-to moisturizer brand that I tend to always get when I run out. A few more things and then we're done. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. So I really like this primer. So I generally have very oily skin, but because I use benzoyl peroxide, which I have a new skincare routine, let me know if you guys want me to do a video on that. But when you use benzoyl peroxide, sometimes depending on the brand, because the previous one I was using didn't dry my skin out at all, but the one I'm using now does dry my skin out a lot. And so this is really good at those moments when my skin are dry, because this one is hydrating and it moisturizes it, and it looks like a moisturizer. The consistency is like a moisturizer, so I don't use this in replace of that, but it just adds an additional layer of hydration to my skin. So if you have dry skin, or if you have dry patches, or you get dry skin sometimes, and you're looking for a good primer that is going to, you know, hydrate your skin and tone down those dry areas, then this is definitely a good one to check out. I have repurchased it numerous times. Next, this is a lip balm that I've been getting for years and I love it. It's the My Favorite Night Balm by C.O. Bigelow. You can buy these at I want to say Bed Bath & Beyond. Bath & Body Works. That's where you get the C.O. Bigelow line. It's like a thicker lip balm. You can wear any time of the day, but I like to wear it at night and it just keeps my lips really hydrated and moisturized. 3 more things and then we're done. I don't even know if they still have this. I've had this for forever, but I finally finished it. It's Smooth Kiss Glossy Lip Butter. This is from Victoria's Secret. At one time, I would use the Victoria's Secret like bronzer, like their makeup stuff. I don't know if they still have a makeup line, but they had some really good makeup products. I think I still have their bronzer, which I know they discontinued and I haven't used in a while, but this was really good. This is just one of those like, kind of like those lip smackers type lip balms, but it was good. I would repurchase it if I needed like a basic lip balm. 2 more things. Next, this is the shampoo that I was mentioning to you guys, the Ouidad Ultra Nourishing Cleansing Oil. This is pretty much the only shampoo that I buy. It's a little bit pricey, but this will last you for a really, really long time because it's very concentrated. You only need a tiny bit to do each section of your hair, and unlike a lot of other shampoos that can be very drying, this one is not drying, so you can put it throughout your strands as opposed to just kind of letting it pass through the strands. But I definitely would repurchase this, and I have repurchased this several times because it's my favorite. Lastly, we just have this Pro Strength nail polish remover. It's just a basic nail polish remover. If you have kind of like glittery nails or gel nails or acrylic or whatever and you want to take it off at home, this is really good to just kind of soak your nails in and take it off. It's not something you want to use all the time, but it's just it's a nail polish remover. It's pretty basic. So that is it. That's all of the items that I have used out other than this random plastic bag. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll try to link all the products down below. I will link this sweater down below. You guys always ask me about my necklaces. I've had this for a while, but I think I purchased this from Nordstrom's a couple years ago. Yeah, my nail polish is just a basic red gel nail polish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.